Hi, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to add a debit card in your Google Wallet. So here we are going to go to your Google Wallet and then you're already in Google Wallet. And then here, if you don't have a card ready, you can add a card. Just press that button that said add a card and it's going to load up. So basically right here, it's a black screen because you're not allowed to record this or take any screenshots. That's why you won't be able to even find this in Google. So therefore right here, it's pretty simple actually. All you have to do is enter your card number and actually the date of the expiration and the CVV and the details of your address. From there, you'll be able to add the card from there. And then it's gonna check if the card is eligible for Google Pay with your debit card. So if it couldn't, it will say this and you can add another card or you can try it again later or contact your bank for this option. So there you go. That is how you add your debit card into Google Wallet basically. If this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.